Hi guys, good day. Today I'm going to show you on what to do if the subscriber table in Microsoft SQL Server Replication is not in sync with the publisher table. So in my example here, I have Node 1 and Node 2 in my VMware workstation. Node 1 is where the actual table or database is located, and the Node 3 is where my subscriber. So basically two machines. One is let's expand the database. This is in my example here. I'm only using the test2 database, and under test2 database, there are a few tables inside. My machine's running slow at the moment, so bear with me. Uh, I'm not going to skip anything, but if it's taking time, just forward uh, the slider on the video to skip this portion because my machine is almost full and it's running very slow at the moment. But I'm not going to cancel this. I'm not going to click anything to avoid confusion. It's really taking time. Yep. Right now, under the test2 database, I have few tables in here: customer, order item, product, and supplier. And now, because this is the uh, node or the machine where the replication, the publisher is located. Let's minimize this one and go to the replication. Expand the replication under the local publication. Expand that one, and you can see in my publication I have transactional and snapshot. But in my example here, I'm only focusing on the transactional replication. Under the customer info publication, I will right click that one and click on properties. Under the customer info publication, I'll click on the articles. In here, it will show what are the tables uh, under this publication, transactional publication. Okay, so the tables under this publication called customer info is customer, order, and order item. I'll I'll let's double check under the test2 database. See the one cost test2 under the test2 database. I have customer, order, and order item. All right. So I'll cancel this one. This is just to to show you guys that under the customer info publication, it has three tables in it: customer, order, and order item. I'll cancel this one and minimize this one. Okay. All right. Then and I'll let's see how many records inside the customer info. As you can see, there are like six records in it, and all the columns are has values in it. So let's go to the subscriber. Let's go to the subscriber. Let's make sure the node 3. Have a look first. Let's minimize this one. I will want to show you that the subscriber is node 3 under the customer info publication. Let's like expand the replication again. Uh, my machine is running so slow at the moment. All right. Then let's expand the customer info publication to show you that that the the node tree is the subscriber. See the one in this example, node tree and test2, node tree and test2 database. Expand the database, test2, test2 database. That's the database uh, that's being subscribed by node tree. So, all right, test2 is the database being subscribed by node tree. Let's go to node tree right now, and under the database, we have test2, similar to the node 1, where the actual database is located. But the problem here, our main concern is the table that is not in sync with the subscriber. And this is the example that I'm going to show you. The customer table under the test2 database. See the one in the actual node, in the node 1, where the actual database and table is located. It has all the records in it. But let's go to node 3 and expand the database called test2, the subscriber database, and expand the table. And let's see the records inside the customer under the subscriber. Test2 database. See that one? The postcode is empty. So, and it has 6 records in it. But the problem is the postcode is not in sync. I purposely add this one for the sake of the example. But how do you fix if this happens to you? So what I'm going to do, normally you go to the publisher, and under the publication, check for the subscriber. Under the publication, check for the subscriber. In this case, this is node 3 test 2. Normally you just right click that one and click reinitialize. And after you click the reinitialize, mark for, let's see, it will take time, but I'll click that one. Mark for reinitialization. If you click that one, if you click that one, normally it will reinitialize. And you click on the status, normally it will reinitialize. See the one, because for the sake of this example, I will not mark it for reinitialize, because normally when you reinitialize, it will fix the problem. But what if, what if when you click the reinitialize and still you go to node 3 in your subscriber, still it's not in syncing. What you're going to do, normally, in the this is my based on my testing only, and I've done this many times before. Normally I not just delete the subscriber. Let's go to the subscriber. This is under node 3, where the subscriber database is located. So expand the replication, expand the subscription. uh, Normally I'm going to delete the subscription, the customer info. But before that, I'll close this one, close the query. I'll normally delete the subscription. You can delete it from here. You can delete it from here in the subscriber, or you can delete it under the publisher. So this one you can delete it from here under the publisher node. Here in my example, it's node 1, where the publisher located. I expanded the publisher customer info, and node 3, I can delete it from here, or you can delete it from the subscriber node or the machine. In here, let's try to delete it from here. Then yes, now it's asking me to connect to node 3. So it's just the same if you delete it from there. But I suggest that you delete the subscriber under the publisher. Click that one, connect. Now it's deleted because the subscription is deleted, already deleted. So let's go to node 3, refresh this one. Let's try if it's see that one, it's not there anymore. But when you when you recreate when you resubscribe let's see, let's try to resubscribe that one. New subscription. Next, node 1 is where the publisher, yeah, see that one. Okay, just click next and run all agents under the at the distributor or node 1. Yes, from node 1, this is where the publisher push it to the subscriber node. Click next. If it's up to you, you can do both, updating from node subscriber to publisher. You can do it. But in this case, run by all agents at the distributor, node 1, which is node 1. Next. Now, the subscriber is under node 3. So click that one, add subscriber, add SQL Server subscriber. Then, in my case, it's node 3. I'm going to connect to node 3, connect. Then, what database? In this case, it's test 2. Let's go to node 3. There's already test 2 in here. There's already test 2. But I suggest to delete the tables. Delete the tables. Delete the tables under the publication, because under the publication there are three tables a while ago, like customer sorry, customer, order, and order item. I'll delete that one to be sure, because sometimes when you don't delete the tables and in the subscriber database, it will cause conflict. If there are records inside here, it will cause conflict, it will cause error. uh, that's based on my experience, but you can try not deleting the tables in the subscriber, because it's already existing. You can delete the entire database, but I don't suggest. Just delete the tables inside whatever is in whatever tables in the publication. Just delete. In this case, it's only customer, order, and order item. I don't delete the other tables. So this one, I delete the customer, I delete the order, and I delete the order item. See that one? Then let's go back to the publisher, node 1. Then we can click next. We can continue here, next, test 2, because that's test 2 database. Next, and click this triple dots. In your case, you can type which account are you going to use, but in my case, for this example only, I'll click that one. So impersonate. I'll just use whatever account is used in the agent. So click OK, click next, and next, and finish. Let's wait until it's done. I will summarize everything when it's done. Okay, it's all good. So right now you can see under the node 1, where the publisher, under the publication, we have a subscriber node 3 and test 2. See the one? Let's go to node 3, the subscriber database machine. Under the subscriber machine node 3, we have node test 2 database, and we will refresh this database. Refresh that one. And no, we cannot see it at the moment. We need to go to node 1 publisher and sync this one. Let's view snapshot agent. Replication agent was shut down. Let's start it. Let's see after it's done. See the one it's reviewing the publication articles. It will create public everything into the node tree. Make sure you start the snapshot agent. It will take some time because my machine is running so slow. Let's try go to the subscriber. Let's refresh this. Not yet. Let's refresh the application. It's not yet done. So let's wait until this one is done. 90% the loading metadata of all tables in Publisher. So let's wait. You can forward the slider if you can't wait. In my case, I'm not going to stop this one. I'm not going to cut in the video. This is just, raw video. It's taking some time. Let's see. Not yet. This one is taking some time. Okay, generating schema skip scripts for article customer. That's a good one. Let's try. It's already updated. Yeah, not yet. Let's go to node one. Still 93% order. Okay, the customer is already finished. Let's see. Not yet. Let's wait. 95%. Okay, all good. Let's close that one. Let's try uh, log reader. Checking status. Should be good. So let's refresh this. See the one, it's all good. Uh, Customer order, it's already done. It's already replicated. So the subscriber, let's see if the records are there. All right, see that one? It's being synced. But let's do a testing. If the sync is already working, let's close this log reader. Then let's try adding records into the customer table. Right click that one, edit. Let's add records directly to the table. And let's see if the replication is now working. Mm, it's really taking time. You can forward a slider if you want. In my case, I'm not going to skip. I'm not going to cut the video. This is pure raw video, unedited. All good. So, it's not open. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. It's not allowing me to. Uh, it's really slow. It's not allowing me to add record. Oh yeah, here. So let's check the node tree first. There are six records in it, six records in the actual table customer. Let's check node tree. It has six records, and the last record is test. Let's add test two. Let's go back to node one. Let's type test two, two, test two, test two, test two. Then okay, then it's very slow. Okay, it's already there. Test two. Let's see if it automatically updated the node tree, the subscriber. See the one? And the we did not put postcode, but it's updated already. See the one test two? We'll put postcode. Let's fill postcode in test and test two. This one, 5, 6, and 7. Uh, very slow. Let's wait for a while. Let's see the one that's responding. It's very slow, my machine. Okay, then let's uh, still not responding. Okay, let's put postcode in my newly added test record 77, and yeah, it's still not responding. But it added records already in my test example record. Let's go to node 3. Let's see if the test is already updated. From null, okay, see the one? The test has value already on my postcode field. Let's check if it's done. Still not responding. Okay. Wait for the program to respond. I'll just leave that one. I'm not going to close that. Let's see if yeah, see the one it's already updated. So the synchronization is already fixed between publisher and subscriber. So what I've did, uh, I'll make a summary of it. Normally, when you encounter this type of issue in your SQL Server replication, you normally just go to the publisher. You normally go to the publisher, minimize that one, go to the replication publication, and under the publication, click the subscriber. That one is the subscriber. You normally just reinitialize it, and it normally fix whatever update you've done in the publisher publication database or table. It will when you reinitialize the subscriber, it will automatically normally fix the problem. But what will you do if it will not reinitialize? I have no idea if it happened to me before. I really don't know what's the reason why it did not. When I click on the reinitialize, the normal procedure reinitialize the subscriber, I don't know what happened. It did not fix the problem. It did not sync. So the only solution is I go to the publisher publication, expand the publication, click the subscriber, click the subscription, delete the subscription. Then after you delete the make sure before you delete the subscription, click on the publication, click the articles, how many articles inside it, how many articles, take note of the articles, uh, take note of the articles, then delete the subscriber. After you delete the subscriber, don't recreate a new subscription right away. You make sure you go to the subscriber database. Don't delete the database. I don't suggest deleting the database. Just delete the tables under that publication. In my case, in this example, that publication only has three tables in it. So I only delete the three tables, and after deleting, I'll go to the publication, click new subscription, then recreate the subscription, and that fixed the problem. All good. And uh, if it's clear to you everything and it helps you, please click subscribe and like button. Leave a comment if you want. Thank you guys. Bye bye.